Basically what promote print is, if there's other print jobs in the queue, it puts yours ahead of everyone else's. It's the I'm more important than everyone else mode, but we don't necessarily have to demonstrate that. There's also a scheduled print. Perhaps the machine's busy and you need to make sure you print something. If you hit scheduled print, it actually allows you to select a time as to when that print job is going to come out. So maybe one department is using that machine for some internal marketing or internal communications, and you don't want to forget to print this thing for your boss. So change that to 3 p.m. And now when I print this job, it will automatically come out at 3 p.m. as long as no one shuts the machine off. Next, there is an edit and preview mode as well. So this asks me what output method do I want to use. I can do any of the other output methods in conjunction with edit and preview. So if I wanted to hold it, I could do that and then release it at the machine. But for now, we'll just do print. We'll hit OK. We'll hit OK, and then we'll print. So now if I go here, there's what's called the Page Composer. I can print a number of files to the Page Composer. I can move them. I can edit the print settings for each particular one. So if I select this, I can either delete a page, I can print a sample. For instance, if I want to print 50 copies of something and want to preview what it looks like, I can print a sample of it. I can actually just submit it here. When I say edit, I can change my print settings. So when I select that document, I can actually change the order. I can preview what that print will look like. I can print multiple jobs using that method, and they will all show up in the queue. That concludes today's Accent Insights. Thank you, and stay tuned.